Hello again, tubers. I would like to give you an update on my Revox PR99 Mark I restoration. I just want to tell you the current status right now. So I have everything assembled and ready to go, ready for the calibration. And as I go through the manual and I'm about to do the bias adjustment, but before I do that, I would have to check the bias trap first, right here on the record board. So the voltage on it is supposed to be less than 350 millivolts, but this one was measuring 8 volts, so couldn't figure out, what's going on. So I pulled the card, check all the components, check everything. Nothing was defective. None of the components were defective. So luckily I have a PR99 Mark III that I have here for a while, and I pull the record board out of it and substituted it for this board, and it worked. Everything worked fine. It recorded, the bias could be adjusted, everything worked fine. Both of them were, so I knew it had to be on this board. Something was wrong on this board. So I pulled the board out and I removed the bias trap. I removed it, and upon inspection I noticed that you can't see it because the wire is so tiny. There's a tiny wire that goes to one of the connection down there, and the wire was broken. So I'm like, wow, I need to get a new board, a different board. So I look on eBay. I didn't see any record board for sale. So I said, let me try, see if I could repair this thing. So I pulled it out of this, pulled the bias trap off the circuit card, and the wire was so thin I had to use my magnifying glass right here to see the wire. So the wire is about a strand of hair thick. It was so tiny. So what I did, luckily I have this bundle of wire here. So I just cut about an inch off of it and I stripped it, and I used my magnifying glass to scrape the insulation off this wire, and I was able to solder just one strand of this wire onto the wire on the bias trap, and the damn thing worked. It worked. So I reassembled it and put it back here and went through the calibration, and the deck is working. I was able to adjust all the recording level, do the high frequency adjustments and high frequency EQ adjustments, and everything working fine. And the deck can record, so everything is all good. Only thing is that this deck, it's over 40 years old, and you can't run out to the store and buy yourself a new head so easily. You just have to take what you get on eBay. I guess right now I think that head needs replacing, but it still have a little bit of life left into it because it was able to adjust, and I could do the azimuth alignment on it, but the heads need to be it needs a new head, but little bit of life is left. So so that's where I'm at with this PR99 Mark 1 right now. So I'm gonna like I was saying, the deck has been calibrated, and I did a recording on it, and I'll just demonstrate that recording. There. So that's the objective when you do this calibration. The audio circuits, they are supposed to be evenly matched. What goes in must comes out equally. So thanks for watching. Now I gotta just clean this up and do some more little tweaks, and it's already, you know, ready to go. All right, thank you for watching, and see you next time.